So this is our dog, and this is her Scottish side. It's bucketing, or starting to bucketing, and it's wind, almost blowing a gale probably, and she's more than happy to just stay on the bow, running up and down, chasing the wavelets that are formed by the wind, and enjoying life, because, you know, it's such a good day out there. So we're doing such a calm sail, like pretty much like a day sail on the bay, that even the back platform is down and we're towing the dinghy, which we basically never do. And check out the view. So over there is Cleopatra Marina, lots of boats. We were anchored, I believe, right over there, and check out the view.
Rusting away on the
Yeah, there's a wreck over there.
3 fishing boats.
Is it 3? Yeah. Must be a nice place to go snorkeling. And then there's all these fishing pans over here, lots of them. We're actually gonna pass quite close to some of them. And then we're gonna turn in that direction after these pens, to the other side of the bay, that direction. And check out the view. It's just so pretty. Young lady's having a little snooze over there in the shade. No life jacket today, only a harness. Look at that. So, super light wind sail.
Yes.
In the Gulf by Preveza. Right?
Yeah.
That's the wind speed, around, what, 3 to 6 knots more or less. And we're doing around 3.5 knots.
It's apparent wind, so
Apparent
it's probably
wind, yeah, a
around
bit more.
5 or 6 is true.
Okay.
We can't see it.
And we're only using our code 0 today.
Yes.
No head sail, no main sail.
No main, no head, just code 0.
Code 0. Lazy sailing. Look at that. This is where we were anchored. Right next to the marina in Preveza. So the marina is here. This is the fishing harbor. And we did all this on the sail. Ta-da-da. This here is where the fishing farms are. Now the plan is to keep on this angle kind of more up to here, maybe even a bit further, and then jibe to the other side. And that's where we're going. Have a look here. And if this spot doesn't suit us, we'll anchor probably here. So we just tacked in between the little island and the bigger one, which is this one, and look at the view, it's so pretty. Yeah, so we came from over there, and this is the main piece of land. Look at how pretty. Oh, sorry. And that's where we're going. Come on, faster, John! I'm going. There you go. There yet. So, a bit nervous. We are entering the Canal of Lefkas. It's our first time in such a narrow situation. And you can see the shallow bit just there. And it's like, we're really close. That's not even much more than 1 boat length.
Maybe 25.
Maybe 25. And our friends Julie and Simon are right ahead of us. They are more experienced than us. And look at that. It's beautiful, but the channel is very, very narrow. I was very excited, and a few boats that have followed us from our previous anchorage, they're kind of like flat on to get here on time because the bridge opens at the hour.
We're actually 20 minutes early.
Yeah. So this is where we are. Yeah, this is where we are. So we just passed these channel markers. There's a very shallow bit here, and our friends are doing a U-turn because we're killing time, and we're doing the same. Ella's very excited because she thinks we arrived. If only she knew. Isn't the bridge opening already?
No, it's a different bridge. It's the old, looks like the old bridge.
Is it? Okay. Anyway, this is the view. Very slowly making our little U-turn. The bridge is right over there. Lovely, Captain. How are you feeling?
Yeah, fine.
So we're literally just in gear and we're still doing 2.5 knots. So we're going back out of the channel and back in because doing loops here is not exactly an easy task, but very pretty. So we bobbed around a little bit on the outside of the channel, and I think we're gonna go in again very slowly. There's Simon. Those two other boats were in Preveza, also we've seen it, and there's two other coming. And apparently boats from north have priority. So here we go again. Here we go. The little miss is not very happy. She's giving big huffs, as in like, can we go? I'm sick and tired of waiting. So after moments of waiting and having a little smart ass of a charter boat, a 34-foot charter boat overtaking literally everyone, the bridge lifted, so it lifts over there and on this side also, and then it spins. It's quite interesting. We've never done that. Exciting? It's a bit exciting. We've never done this. First time. Okay, there's a boat coming, two boats coming our way. We're supposed to have right away or priority or something. Funny enough, everyone is with fenders except the people behind us and us. So quite interesting. There you go. That's the Lefkas bridge. Very interesting. Yeah, awesome. Look at that. Gonna get Simon and Julie right behind us. Look at how many people. Yep. It's a very narrow channel. That's a salt marsh, and apparently there used to be another channel that I just noticed. It goes between those walls. Apparently it was the old Roman channel or Greek channel or Venetian channel, not sure. And salt marshes over here also. Look at that. Look at them crossing.
Lots of mosquitoes.
Lots of mosquitoes, yes. There you go. Simon and Julie. They just crossed.
Ella's all excited.
Ella's all excited because we're moving. And she can only see water, 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 water. That's all she thinks about. That's it. Successfully passed the bridge. After crossing the Lefkas bridge, we did a quick stop in Lefkas to double check the sail drive oil levels before continuing through the rest of the canal. We had changed the oil on the sail drive the day before and needed to confirm all was okay before proceeding. So the Lefkas channel's over there, where we just came from, and check out the view. And we're going somewhere in that area over there, close to Nidri. Beautiful view. Like that. So I'm still trying to be sure if that boat over there is coming our way or going the same way as us, but I think it's coming our way. And John just asked a very pertinent question, which was...
Is he on AIS?
Yeah, that's a funny one. We haven't seen anyone with AIS today. Like, no one. I know, there's 2 boats behind us with AIS. Out of the, what, 10 to 15 boats that we've seen today? Not counting the ones that were in Lefkas in the dock, in the marina. But actually moving, we haven't seen any boat with AIS. That's it. Beautiful morning. Dead flat, absolutely dead flat, but we've been for a week in Nidri now, so we've decided it was about time to move. So yeah, that's it. Ferry's coming. Yeah. There. John's at the helm. Ella's on her station. Watch station. 1 week in Nidri.
1 week in Nidri, yes, and very safe place.
Very safe place. So
Very
we had
quiet, no swell, no clumps.
We had that big forecast of very strong winds, and we felt absolutely
None of it.
none of it. We actually thought the forecast was completely wrong.
The mountain blocks out all the wind by looking.
Yeah.
Unless it comes from south.
Yeah.
But even if it comes from south, it's just a little ripple over the bay.
But so we stayed 1 week in Nidri because we were being lazy, just enjoying being at anchor.
Also, the weather wasn't so pretty.
Yeah,
so
it was a bit rainy.
It was a bit rainy. Now it started to clear up, and we've got a few clear days ahead. So we're going to go and find ourselves a quiet spot on anchor away from everyone.
And we decided to run away from the flotilla that is getting ready to depart, right?
Correct.
The Orange Bimini flotilla.
Yeah, there seems to be like, I've counted them, there's about 13 boats, 14 boats, all with bright orange work.
Yeah.
So,
Kind of matching our dinghy.
but also it's Saturday, so I think the new lot of people come. I don't think it's flotilla.
Not sure. Anyway. So there's very little wind. We're gonna try and throw a sail anyway, to at least auto sail a little bit. That's Scorpius Island, private island.
And here we are, it's the beginning of our Greek summer season. Ella's swimming, Anna's trying to swim. I went in yesterday, and it's nothing but beautiful. And the dog just wet my back. Oh, that's terrible. It's only us and one other boat on this little beach. We've got it all to ourselves. And the colours are amazing. Ella, come here. Ella, go get Mummy. Go get Mum. She's all the way out there, go get her.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. I got it. I got it. Hello. You want it? You want it? Get it. Go, 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 go. It's sinking, isn't it?
It sank. It's on the bottom. I can see it from here.
Me too.
That requires, it might just be a little bit too far for you without putting your head in. Just got it.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
First one of the season.
Yeah, first one of the season. The water's nice and warm. It's already nearly 20 degrees. 19, 20 degrees.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our social media. Head out to our Patreon page and buy the dog a bone.